doing? Huh? You eating in my yard? Yeah? You can't come in here. No. Go on. I know you're thirsty. Go get something to drink. Go on. No, you gotta go. Go get something to drink, okay? Go on. Go on, I know. Go on. All right, go on. Go get something to drink. Go on, there's water. And you're eating all the birds' stuff I threw out for them. You belong to someone. Go on, go get some water. It's hot out. While you're eating all the cat food. Yeah, I know. You're gonna eat all that. This dog is funny. I think it belongs to the neighbor down the street.